You guys, how I clean out my makeup brushes. So this weekend I'm going out of town, and next week I have a client. So hi Dimes, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean out my makeup brushes. If you have skin that's acne prone like mine, then it's important to continuously clean your makeup brushes. So I'm going to be showing you guys the whole process and talk you through it. I really only use two different products, and that is the Face Soap and Clarity Vitamin C Facial Wash. It doesn't really do too much for my skin, but I know it doesn't break me out. And the second product that I use is the oil-free eye makeup remover by Neutrogena. And so with these two, I put them in some water, and I like to let my brushes and my sponges soak. So for today, these are the brushes that I'm going to be cleaning. I know I have a lot of them, and my beauty blenders are in the center of this right here on my sponges, and I have a little right there. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my brushes and I'm going to put them in some hot water, and on top of that hot water I'm going to also add in my Vitamin C Face Soap and Clarity. Also I'm going to add in my Neutrogena eye makeup remover, and I'm going to let everything soak, and eventually I'll start seeing all the makeup starting to come out of the brushes. And don't worry about the water getting into the base of the makeup brush, because at the end we're going to dry them facing upside down or sideways, either way you prefer, and my brushes still come out really fluffy and clean at the end of it. Okay, so let's get into that. We have reached the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys would like to see next. Just so you guys can see a side by side, I'll be showing what my brushes and my beauty blenders look like before and after. And to speed up your drying process, you can always use like a mini blow dryer or just any type of blow dryer and just run it around the brushes. I would just hold up my blow dryer with one hand and spin my rack with the other. And so that's how I would speed up the drying process. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.